Tired of shipping costs that feel like a punch to the wallet when you're using Joyabuy? Let's fix that. First things first, always consolidate your orders. Instead of shipping items individually, add everything you want to your cart and ship them together. This combines multiple small packages into one larger one, drastically reducing the overall shipping fee. Look for a Combine Orders option on the checkout page. It's usually there, allowing you to merge pending orders. If you don't see it, contact Joyabuy's customer support. They can manually combine orders for you. Next up, coupons and discounts. Before finalizing your purchase, scour the Joyabuy website for available coupons. Check their promotion page, and even do a quick Google search for Joyabuy coupon codes. Now, the most crucial part, shipping methods. Joyabuy offers a variety of options, from fast but expensive like DHL to slower but much cheaper like airmail or EMS. Evaluate how quickly you need your items and choose the most cost-effective option. Slower options are almost always cheaper. Compare the estimated delivery times and prices carefully. Sometimes, waiting an extra week can save you a significant amount of money. And that's it. By consolidating orders, hunting for discounts, and carefully selecting your shipping method, you can significantly reduce your Joyabuy shipping costs. Happy shopping!